Hi guys, this is Nitesh Tiwari. Today we will discuss about passage and their tricks. The first thing is you need to know is that how to solve the passage problems in a bank exam or any other competitive exam. In this video I will tell you how to solve the passage with using some tricks so you can get the exam or grab the exam. Before starting the video, I will tell you to please subscribe and like my YouTube channel so that you can get the newly video. Let's start. Before starting reading comprehension, we should use some tips. The first tip is that you should read the question first and write down the some key points and also mark the question number so that you can get the exact what passage is talking about. After read you can get understand what passage is talking about, so you can solve easily this passage with using some key points. And the third step is skim through the passage and try to match the point. By skimming through the passage you have a skill of reading between the lines, so you can easily grab the what is passage talking about. By using this step you can easily understand what is passage talking. You can also use antonym and synonyms, and you should also solve the antonym synonym problem first after reading the particular paragraph in which it is written. Antonym and synonyms can easily be solved if you use the key points and the where it is written. Read that line, after that you can understand what it may be mean. In the fifth step you have to remember that is also indicate essential information, and it can be also asked in the next question, so you have to remember that thing. I advised you to please read the specific detail like reason, problems, addresses, solution, who are the key players, it is required, action plan. These are the main important facts which can be asked in the next questions. So let's start the passage. As I have told you that please read the first question first, after that you have to solve the passage. Then begin. First question is how many rupees paid by truckers annually. Then you have to remember and you have to note down the keyword paid by truckers annually and also indicate the question number. The second question is what is the main objective of writer behind writing this passage. You can understand this by using all paragraph when you understand. The third question is what is petty corruption. You should have to write down the petty corruption in your notebook. We go to the next page. Here the fourth question is why the corruption is increasing so rapidly. Then you should have to write down the keyword corruption increasing rapidly. And the fifth question is what do you understand by grey zones as used in this passage. You have to write down the keyword grey zones. The sixth question is rung. What is the same meaning of this? The seventh question is eradicate. What is the same meaning of is eradicate? The eighth question is guts. What is it means? Same meaning. And 9 to 10 we have a question of opposite meaning of the words. So the nine number question is prevalent, and the 10th is stern. Stern. What it opposite means? You should start with antonym and synonyms. Then start first. The sixth question is rang means same. Same meaning what is? You have to search where it is written. The highest seat of power are corrupt unless, unless the people at the top rung of power. Then what can we expect the meaning of rung? Here it is talking about the one who has his family support, his hierarchical support. Then we can we can select the option first, hierarchy. The seventh question is eradicate. What it means? Where it is written? We have to start. It is because the people at the top. So sorry. There is absolutely no possibility of eradicating corruption. What it means? Here we can expect the meaning of eradicate is that eradicate means root out, annihilate. So we can select the option D. The eighth question is guts. What it is mean? What is the same meaning of guts? We have to search the passage where it is written. You people also have hear this word. Guts means power. Here it is also written no subordinate will have to guts to be corrupt. Then we can select the courage option. So go to the next. Question number 9. Here the opposite meaning of prevalent. You can also accept the prevalent meaning that is starts from free means pehle. Here is also written corruption is so prevalent that it is part of everyday structure of society. Prevalent means prachalit in Hindi. Then its opposite is infrequent means which is not prevalent. The next word is stern. Stern means which is in pace. Here is also written take stern action against the corrupted pupil. Then you can assume the what exact meaning it is. Means tough action. Its opposite meaning is lenient. You can assume. Question number first is here written is how many rupees paid by truckers annually as per the study of Transparency International. You can search the word easily. You can search the number easily. It is written 22,000 crore in your passage. The second question is that what is the main objective of writer behind this passage? So you can leave this question. If you have the time, then you should start the reading passage. After that you can get the answer. The third question is what is the petty corruption? After reading the passage, I found that petty corruption as a fact of life. It is also written in the passage. As you find the petty corruption here it is written that many people accept that petty corruption is a fact of life. You can understand the B option is matching this. The fourth question is corruption is increasing so rapidly. Here it is written that the main reason for this spread of corruption is that the people in the highest seat of power. So you can select the second option. Go to the next question. Fifth question is what do you understand by gray zones used in this passage? So go to that line. Here it is written that you will often face a gray zones and dilemmas. So it is said that the meaning of gray zones and dilemmas is the same. Here you can take a topic that is not fourth option, cause the exact meaning of gray zones is not written.